This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Silvia Icaza. This 1-bedroom/1.5 bath is situated in the heart of Aventura on Country Club Drive. Pleasantly refreshed, it offers an updated kitchen with open floor plan, adjacent to the dining room/living room area. The master bedroom is ensuite with master bath and large closets. Tile floors throughout. This is truly a gem. It's conveniently located to all the grocery stores, shops, restaurants, library and the Aventura Mall. The beaches are just minutes away. The city offers a courtesy bus to the local shops. Don't miss out on this opportunity. This is a 55-plus community. Cable is included. For more information, review the details below or contact Silvia Icaza.